News at 9.
A potentially deadly virus hits the U.S. Now more airports are screening passengers who are traveling from China. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chelsea Helms. In tonight's top story, 17 people have died and close to 600 people have been infected with coronavirus. A majority of the people coming from Wuhan. 3 cities in China with a combined population of more than 18 million are in lockdown right now. One American in Washington state has been diagnosed with that virus. While the World Health Organization announced today it is not a global health emergency, health officials are on high alert, including right here in Arkansas. Fox 24's Kelly O'Neill in Highville to show us how the Department of Health is keeping a close eye on this outbreak.
3 airports around the country, including JFK in New York, LAX, and San Francisco International Airport, are screening all passengers from Wuhan, China for symptoms of coronavirus. By the end of the week, Atlanta International Airport and Chicago O'Hare will do the same.
It can be pretty contagious, spread through respiratory droplets, contact with secretions, so like somebody blowing their nose.
Symptoms of coronavirus include fever, coughing, sore throat, and headaches.
There are cases where it can develop into pneumonia or kind of more severe symptoms.
Using thermal screenings, airport officials can see if passengers have a fever. People from all over the world fly here to Northwest Arkansas. However, XNA airport officials tell me they're not screening for this virus because there's no direct flights from China. Those folks who are flying from there are getting screened at larger airports across the country first.
We would do screening and follow up on them to make sure that they don't have symptoms.
Dr. Gary Wheeler, the senior medical consultant with the Arkansas Department of Health, says it's partnering with national organizations like the CDC and World Health Organization. And it's communicating closely with local companies like Walmart, which owns the largest corporate fleet in the world.
We have worked with businesses seamlessly in the past for Ebola outbreaks and others, and they have been in communication with us regarding their plans, and we know that they are monitoring all of their travelers very closely.
Dr. Wheeler points to the incubation period of about 2 weeks, saying there's a relatively low risk for future spread.
Preliminary conclusions we have so far are that this is not as severe a virus as the infections that we saw in SARS or in MERS.
But each outbreak is different, so the ADH is monitoring it closely. As for XNA, it will get the official word from the CDC and the ADH should a plan of action become necessary. In Highville, Kelly O'Neill, Fox 24 News.
All right, Kelly, thank you. Fayetteville High School notified today